Okay, so for this week, if you are on a quarantine, here's what you need to do. So to start off, there's a discussion. This discussion deals with the technology that you have and how it monitors your actions. Should things be done or should laws be added that prevent companies from tracking your information while you're on one of these? The next thing that I would like you guys to do, and I know this is a crash course, um, I would like you to go to where it says scan from a Xerox printer, and I'll probably change the name of this. On there I have a few different activities that I would like you to complete. So this one is, um, well, we're dealing with plurals and singular, and we're deciding what goes there. Do we write a or an based on the consonant or the vowel? So if it's a vowel that follows, we put an. If it's a consonant like this one, we put a box, a cat, a pet, an elf, an ox. And in this one, we're going through and circling the articles. Articles are words that we use to link ideas or thoughts. So the is an article, is an article, the, to, okay? So go ahead and go through and circle the articles you see as you go forward. The next thing, this is just a blank one. There's two reading passages. One is on golf. It's a little hard to see. I couldn't get it clear, so if you have questions on it, please let me know and I can try and send a lighter version of it to you. I want you to read it and do your best on these questions, and then I want you to read this one on Earth and do your best on the questions as well. So those are the things that I want you to do to make up for the classwork that you miss this week. If you have more questions, please let me know or watch the Zoom meeting or chime in during the Zoom meeting. And I'm going to go through this really fast in my rough Spanish, so bear with me with it. Por la clase de inglés de secundaria lengua, escriben una discusión. Tienen una pregunta para su discusión y necesitas lees los ¿cómo se dice? Articles y tienen preguntas para su lees. Y necesitas un tarea de articles in English. A box, a cat, a pet, an elf. So the vowel goes with an, the consonant letters go with a. Then you're circling the articles. The, the, and to. So those are some article words. ¿Tienes más preguntas para mí? Escriben un email y un email de Canvas para mí. Gracias.